lost his voice and he's asked me to ask a question regarding the PA system. How loud will it be and how will it be directed? And there won't be music, but sometimes the PA system can be annoying. Can you explain how that might work? And
The gentleman that we hire to do this PA system, that would be the speakers. The small speaker is going to be on the fence on the ground. We are not going to install the huge speakers. They're going to be small speakers. They will be installed in the ground, and it's going to be very sound sufficient. Want to make sure there's sound's not going out to the neighbors.
And this is not every night, right?
No, sir, only Saturday night. That's what we are planning on do Saturday night.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Could you address the concern of the neighbors? I think it's a legitimate concern they have, the people that are behind the business. And, I mean, not directly to them, but will you address that on how that's going to be mitigated so that these folks don't have, you know, their home life disrupted?
Their concerns are very valid concern, and number one, there's no music outside. We are not going to have any music outside playing or loud to be bother the neighbors. All the music is going to be just like a regular business we have in the weekends inside of the location. And the bull riding is going to be 8 o'clock or 8:30, 8:45, this 1 hour. That would be time this people is going to be not sleeping. We don't want to bother the neighbors. So far, we've been in 3 years, we have a music at our location. We never have a problem with any type of noise or neighbor complaining about it. So far, if they're concerned, what we can do to help them or fix it, if there's a problem, we're going to fix it. We're going to make sure the neighbors are satisfied, they don't have any problem with it, they'll not be bothered. And I personally will talk to those people, the neighbors, and go back there, ask them what they need and what we can do to make sure they're not bothered by anything.
I would have hoped that you would have talked to them by now, personally.
I haven't. I have several people live behind it. They came, they wanted me to start this kind of petition to sign the papers and all that stuff. I said, no. Mahmood Mohyuddin, 2304 North Cortez Road, Apache Junction, Arizona. I heard these other people that was complaining about the noise and all that stuff. First of all, they purchased their property without investigation. There's any commercial zone, commercial properties around. Commercial properties are built, zoned to be changed to business, start the new business, come the new business, people do the business in that locations. We have a bull riding 2 nights a week. We have a dB meter. We recorded every single thing on it. It's a normal 53 to 55. And a lot of residents in that neighborhood walk around the road over there checking it out, and we have recorded every single thing. There's nothing more than 53 or 54. That's a general conversation.
Thursday night winners by Round Trout Free American on a Thursday.
Thursday night, April 13th. This is TP and Star.
This gate's gonna open and it's game time. Here we go. Come on.
Half mile away.
Last week took a high school final. Heading on his way to nationals. 90 dollars supporting right about now. How about a big old hand for Hunter Kelly tonight?
It's Thursday, June 15th.
And I guarantee you, I would put money on it. This is the next big name in the world of bull riding. And you folks are getting to see him up.
This is Winsong and Cortez.
On a Thursday night practice night. Everybody make some noise on a Thursday night.
It's 9:24 p.m. Thursday, June 15th. This is Cortez and Lost Dutchman.